Got a 3DREP file from an engineering project? This is 3D geometry data from CATIA Professional CAD software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these CATIA 3D geometry data files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling 3DREP files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. 3DREP files are 3D geometry representation files used by CATIA, the professional CAD software developed by Dassault Systèmes. They contain 3D geometric data, including parts, assemblies, surfaces, and solid models used in aerospace, automotive, and industrial design for product development and engineering analysis. 3DREP files use CATIA's geometry representation format, storing precise 3D model data with surface definitions, solid geometry assembly relationships, and design parameters. The format supports CATIA's parametric modeling and constraint-based design, enabling complete preservation of design intent and modification history. To gain full access to 3DREP, the application needed is CATIA from Dassault Systèmes. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows won't display parametric or assembly data, so full access depends on dedicated modeling tools. Your most effective first step, right-click the 3DREP file and select Open With. If CATIA is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Keep testing until the file becomes accessible. When your 3DREP file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The universal solution is coming. But first, the explanation. Here is the technical breakdown of why your system is rejecting the 3DREP file. First, opening in CATIA. Launch CATIA V5 or V6 and use File then Open to load the 3DREP file. CATIA displays the 3D geometry with all design parameters and constraints preserved. The software provides complete CAD functionality for viewing, modifying, and analyzing the geometric data within professional engineering workflows. Next, converting in 3D Experience. Use Dassault Systèmes, 3D Experience platform for advanced model conversion and collaboration. The platform integrates CATIA with web-based collaboration tools, enabling sharing 3DREP files with team members. Cross-platform conversion utilities translate to neutral formats like STEP for broader CAD compatibility. Finally, exporting to standard formats. Within CATIA, export 3D geometry to neutral CAD formats, like STEP, IGES, or JT for use with other CAD software. These standard formats enable collaboration with users of SOLIDWORKS Inventor or NX. Some parametric features may not transfer, requiring careful export parameter selection for optimal compatibility. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.